Actually, this is the vernier caliper, and here you can see that this scale. Can you see this scale? Can you
Yeah,
see
sir.
this scale? Okay. This is actually the vernier scale. Understood? This is main scale. Like main scale, your scale which you are using in your home, like plastic
Yeah,
scale.
sir. In lab, I have seen.
Ha. So this is
Ah.
main scale, this is vernier scale. Actually, least count of vernier scale is 0.01 centimeter.
Hmm.
For main scale, it is 0.1 centimeter. For screw gauge, that is
Hmm.
0.001. What is the meaning of least count? Actually, least count is the smallest measurement an instrument can measure.
Hmm.
Okay. So total reading, actually, I just want to explain like how to find the reading. Basically, we are checking the vernier scale reading and the main scale reading. Clear?
Hmm.
So total reading is what? Just understand this only. No need to go in depth because we don't have much time. Okay. In January you
Yeah,
have,
yeah, yeah.
so I will explain how
Please.
to find total reading.
Yeah, sir.
My focus. Total reading is main scale reading plus vernier scale reading.
Hmm.
Okay. And what is main scale reading? What is VSR? Vernier scale reading? I will explain. MSR. MSR is what? Reading on. You can take a notes. Reading on
Main skill.
main scale just before or just left of zero of vernier caliper or vernier scale. Just left of zero of vernier caliper. Okay, or vernier scale.
Hmm.
All right. Meaning is that, is it clear? Like
Yeah,
what,
sir.
what is VSR? VSR is vernier scale reading. That is
Hmm.
least count multiply VSD. What is VSD? I will explain. Write
Hmm.
down. LC is the least count. Okay, you know that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
VSD division on vernier scale which exactly coincide coincide with any division on main scale. Division on vernier scale which exactly coincide with any division on main scale. Okay, clear? Clear? Any doubt?
No,
Any
sir.
doubt? Tell me. Okay, for example, like this.
No, no, clear.
Division on vernier scale which exactly coincide with any division on main scale. If I ask you like this is
Main
the main
skill.
scale, this is the main scale, okay?
Hmm.
And on this main scale, if I draw just like this, 31 millimeter and 32 millimeter, okay?
Hmm.
And this is the zero of vernier scale. Okay, we have vernier scale also. Okay, then if I ask you like VSD, VSD is 4. Let us suppose this value is given.
Hmm.
So main scale reading is reading on main scale just before or just left of the zero of vernier scale. So this is the
Hmm.
zero vernier scale. Can you see? Just before. What is the integer value? That is the main scale reading. 31 millimeter. Okay. Clear?
Yeah, sir.
Then total reading will be what? Simple. Main scale reading plus least count. What is the least count? 0.01 centimeter. Clear?
Hmm.
It is 0.1 mm. Into which division is coinciding with main scale? That is fourth division. So answer is total reading is 31.4 millimeter. Like that. Okay. And write down the formula of least count also. What is least count?
Hmm.
Actually, least count is 1 main scale division minus 1 vernier scale division. Remember these formulas, okay?
Main scale division minus one. Okay, sir.
Okay,
Like,
clear?
can you give any other example, sir? Another example.
Another examples, okay. I will
Hmm.
give you one question, 1 minute. I will check.
Uh, yeah.
Actually, I don't have currently any questions, but
Okay.
I will give you. Let me check if I am having. Currently, no, I don't have. Okay,
You send it to sir, no problem with this.
okay. Yes, I
Hmm.
will send you the question. Okay, no need to worry. And I will also send you the error also. I will send you. No need to worry. Okay, I will send.
Error concept all I am thorough, sir. Error concept.
You are
That
thorough with
is it.
error concept like positive value.
Ah, yeah,
Then I will
yes.
say I will do one thing like because I don't know like I have to give question to you because I want to explain concept only because this question only needs concept. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's why I
Hmm.
explain this and core
Yes.
question I will send you. Okay, no need to worry.
Okay.
Okay, one concept I just want to explain like
Hmm.
for finding the correct reading. Actually, total
Hmm.
reading is this. If they are asking like correct reading, you should subtract the error with sign. Okay, total reading minus zero error. Clear? And zero error is of two types: positive zero error and negative zero error. Understood? You should put these value with sign. With sign. If it is negative, put negative sign. Minus. If it is positive, put plus with sign. Okay?
Okay.
Any doubt?
That zero error value they will give, sir, like in the
Ha, they
question.
will, they will, they will give
Hmm.
you like these values. No need to worry. Okay. And one more thing, like
Okay.
I just want to explain. In ordinary vernier caliper, actually, what is happening? 10 vernier scale division in ordinary. Okay, I'm not saying always. In
Mm-mm.
ordinary vernier caliper, 10 vernier scale division is equal to 9 main scale division.
Mm.
And 1 main scale division is 1 millimeter, 0.1 centimeter.
This thing I know. Yes.
Okay, so 1 vernier scale division is 0.9 main scale division. It means that main scale division is bigger in size as compared to vernier scale division. Okay,
Yeah, sir.
any doubt? So least
No,
count
sir.
is what? This is simply actually short explanation of vernier scale I'm explaining. Okay, 1 MSD because we need to discuss many questions. Clear?
Mm.
So 1 main scale division is how much? Just write it like this only. 1 vernier scale division is 9 by 10 of main scale division. Okay. You can take common main scale division. Inside will be 10 minus 9. That is 1 by 10. So least count formula, we got main scale division divided by 10. Alright.
Yes, sir.
You can apply this formula. Ordinary 99%, 95% question will be solved by this formula for least count of a vernier caliper.
Okay.
Okay.
That
This main scale
MSD by
division by
10 only, no, sir?
10 only. Yeah, MSD by
Okay.
it is 10. 10 is what actually? 10 is the I will write one common formula. Least count is one main scale division divided by number of division on vernier scale. It may be 10, it may be 12, it may be 30, it may be 20. Okay. Number of
Mm.
is 10 VSD na here. We have only total number of division on vernier scale is 10. It may be 20, it may be 30.
Mm-hmm.
Understood?
Mm-hmm.
And formula is correct. Formula is
Yeah, yeah, yes.
N is what? Number of vernier scale division. VSD.
Mm.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
If you increase the number of vernier scale division, then least count decrease. And if least count
Mm.
increase, efficiency increase, accuracy increase. Means it can measure
Mm-mm-mm.
small measurement. Okay, what is
Mm.
least count? What is the meaning of least count actually? Least count is the smallest measurement an
Mm.
instrument can measure. Okay,
Measure. Yes.
clear? Any
Yeah,
doubt?
sir.
Tell me.
No, no, no.
Now check this question. What this question is saying. This much theory is required. Okay.
Mm.
I, I will send you the question also. No need to worry. Meanwhile, saw this. Tell me what they are saying in vernier caliper. One vernier scale division is always smaller than one. Yeah, that is correct. One vernier scale division is always smaller than the main scale division. That is correct. Okay.
Mm.
Statement one is correct. Now vernier scale is the division on vernier scale is very small. Okay.
Mm-mm-mm.
Because least count of vernier caliper is 0.01 centimeter. Okay.
Mm-mm-mm.
While for main scale it is 0.1 centimeter. Clear? What they are saying statement,
Yes, sir.
the vernier constant is given by one main scale division multiply. No, not multiply, divide. Okay, so statement second is false, statement one is correct. So option B is correct. Clear?
Mm.
Okay.
Yeah, sir.
So I will stop. You just join again this meeting. Clear? Next question.
Okay, okay, sir. Yes, sir.
In-depth explanation. I will explain you in such a way the question because you can revise your concept and along with that
Mm.
you can get a clarity. At home you
Mm.
can do some questions also. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, sir.